Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Decor Glamour. In this video we are going to watch a gardening decor ideas. Gardening decor refers to the decorative elements and design touches used to enhance the visual appeal and atmosphere of a garden. It blends nature with artistic and functional items to create a space that feels inviting, relaxing and personalized. As its core, gardening decor includes features like pathway, borders, and focal points that guide the eye and structure the space. Materials such as stone, wood, metal, and ceramic are often used to create harmony with natural surroundings. For example, a curved stone part or a rustic wooden bench can add both beauty and purpose. Plants themselves are a major part of decor. Colorful flowers, neatly trimmed hedges, and layer plant arrangement create texture and depth. Water features such as small ponds or fountain bring movement and a calming sound element. Seating area, including benches or outdoor furniture, sofa set, make the garden functional and comfortable for relaxation and social gathering. Overall, gardening decor is about balancing natural elements with creative design to reflect personal taste while enhancing the outdoor environment. If anyone new on my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.